This little duet will put you in a happy mood in very quickly, instantly, I think. Remember to isolate the 8th notes from the 16th notes and make them stand out a little bit more and crispy. When you're playing this, remember the flat position, right? The B flat to deal with, and try to have fun. It's supposed to be a fun little duet, and just pretend it's a game, you know, have fun, enjoy it. Really the best advice I can give you. Make the accents pop a little bit more. There's a few of those. And just make it musically interesting as much as you can. Enjoy the MP3s I'm including with this post on Patreon, and the PDF, of course. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your support.